need. I'm making a quick review on Pure Carrot Lotion. There have been a lot of demand to make a review on it, and I decided to try out the lotions and get my personal review before coming on here. So I'll be starting off with the gold. Pure Carrot Gold Lotion. It contains Abutin Fair and is basically a lightening lotion, not a whitening lotion. It lightens your skin and leaves a flawless look. Let's go through its major ingredients. Its active ingredient is alpha arbutin, and it contains deionized water, propylene glycol, EDTA, metabisulfite, sodium sulfite, mineral oil, silicone oil, shea butter, stearic acid, wax, cetosterol alcohol, preservatives, and perfume. This product helps to prevent excessive production of melanin skin cells, resulting in brighter, fairer skin. In addition to its skin lightening abilities, it also softens and gives the skin a uniform fair tone. So it prevents hyperpigmentation and helps to unify the skin. I have used it and it is a lightening lotion. It lightens just fine. Then we also have the orange one, which is the Pure Carrot Oil based. Its major ingredient is carrot oil. It is a whitening lotion and whitens not too fast, but whitens with time. The ingredients are water, paraffin liquidum, mineral oil, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, kojic D, EDTA, salt. It also contains sunflower seed oil, tocopherol, citrus, bitter orange, and perfume. When you use it together with its serum, it whitens you, but with time. It is also a very good lotion that leaves your skin uniformly and whitens you in time. Okay? Then the last is the Pure Carrot Kojic and Carrot Oil based. This is the cocoa. It whitens you fast and just a magical work on your skin. I'll advise you guys, when you want to use these products, use them with their serums. Unfortunately, I did not have any of the serums around, but when you want to get them with the serum. I think the creams are for 4,000. I got them for 4,000 naira. So when you're getting yours, make sure you get the original. For this carrot oil base and kojic, the ingredients are water, cetyl alcohol, kojic D, bitter orange. It also contains grapefruit extract, just like this one. I think they contain almost the same ingredient. The only difference is the addition of kojic acid to this one, which this doesn't have. Okay? So the kojic acid content of this one makes it work faster than this. It's an additional whitening agent. There's an additional whitening agent to this white one than this. So depending on what you want to achieve. Remember, for fastest results, I said go for this. For faster results, I said go for this. For fast results, this. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Till next time, guys, just stay on the high side. Bye.